My name is Rizwan Shahid. I'm a consultant orthopedic surgeon working in the United Lincolnshire Hospital NHS Trust and the Lincoln Hospital BMI/Circle Group in Lincoln. I decided to become a doctor because when I was younger, my brother was admitted in hospital for quite some time. He was in ITU. He eventually, thankfully, recovered. And then I decided that this is something which I need to do and help the humanity. Obviously, there were some other reasons as well. My parents wanted that as well. And eventually, when I was in higher secondary school, I liked the medical sciences and I thought, yeah, this is something I can do and I can do it in a better way. I chose orthopedics because in my house job, I saw patients walking in with the broken bones. You fix the bone and the following day or in a few days' time, they are walking up and about. They come to you with the arthritic hip, arthritic knee, you replace their joint, and they are very thankful and grateful. And that gives you a little bit of satisfaction or a fair bit of satisfaction that you have done something for someone and you have made a difference. The most rewarding thing for my job is in my job, which I feel is a satisfied and a happy patient. When a patient comes to my clinic in the follow-up and say that and tells me that, look, the procedure, the operation you have done, the treatment you have given me has given such a positive impact on my life that my life is completely changed. I couldn't walk before, even a few hundred yards pain-free. Now I can walk even to 5-6 miles, etc. My quality of life is absolutely changed. So that gives me a fair bit of satisfaction, and I feel that it's worth rewarding. So my patients feel valued about me is that I listen to them properly and discuss with them the treatment options rather than imposing my opinion. So having a shared decision making rather than my own opinion and my own decision making only. And with regards to them, they feel satisfied if they are able to do whatever they wanted to do after having their procedure or operation done.